tunashukuru Safaricom kutuletea hii mambo kama hii juu watu wengi wamefurahia. Hii Chapa Dimba walikuwa na launch leo Jakaranda. So sisi kama watu wa Kayole, sisi kama watu wa Jakaranda tunashukuru tu kitu wametufanyia.
The federation, I think we want to thank Safaricom for the good gesture, bringing the tournament down to the grassroots, keeping in mind the impact that it has brought for the past few years. And for this edition, I think Safaricom has garnered more in terms of talent identification of the players.
This has been a journey for us so that we can be able to, have youth and youth showcase their talent in the football. First of all, we're going to have this tournament being held in Dandora. And the reason why we chose Dandora is because this is where we believe the youth and many of the youth sitting. But also, we want to go down to where the youths are and be with them in terms of what they do in their day-to-day activities, the day-to-day challenges that they have in football. And that's why we chose Dandora as one of the venues that we can have this, so that we can interact with the community and have the community be with us and engage the community.